Good evening, everyone. I wanted to come on here and get this video out on how to download the True Light Christian Ministries app on Android and give you a brief overview on of it on Android. So first we'll go to the Play Store, and then we'll put in True Light Christian Ministries, and then we'll select True Light Christian Ministries purple, and it has the church on it. I already have it installed, so you can install it here, and then you can rate it if you like. But let's get into the app. So I'm gonna just go by here, and I'm gonna open True Light Christian Ministries app. And as you can see, it opens up to the sermons button across the bottom, and this is all the sermons that we've uploaded to the app. Next, you will see the Bible study. This is all the Bible study videos that we have, and if you see at the bottom, once we do a series, you can click on like Revelation series, and you'll see all the videos for Revelation. So that's the Bible study. The Bible button is it's kind of broke up into two. It has a reading plan, which I think this is the Bible in a year, and then the other tab is the Bible. So whenever you open the app, if you at church or you just need to get to the Bible quickly, you can open the app, and it has the Bible in it. I think this is the New English Standard Version, so it's at your fingertips to be able to use that as well. We also have the Give button, and this is where you could give to True Light Christian Ministries. You would just put in what you want to give, and then hit next, and you'll be able to give to the ministry. The More button, this is where you would get any information about True Light Christian Ministries, anything that we have going on, anything that we want to get information out, we will put it here. As you can see our COVID-19 guidelines, our I'm special. Pastor read that before Bible study, our weekly devotional, and then the women's retreat that we had virtually this year. So we have that, and then if you look at the top, we have the social media tab. It's links to our social media. So we have, if you click it, it'll take you to our Facebook, our YouTube, our Instagram, and our Twitter pages. So if you want to follow us there as well, you can just click on one like YouTube, and it'll take you to our YouTube page where we have all our videos. And I mean, same as Instagram, it takes you to our Instagram page, and you can follow us there. So that's pretty much on the social media. At the top, if you see the Chromecast button, if you have a Chromecast on your network, you can if you watch a video, or if you watch a sermon or a Bible study, you can cast it to your TV, and that media, the little graph going up and down, that's where, say if you're watching a video and you have to take a phone call, then you come back in and you want to get back to where you was at, you just click this little graphic, and it'll bring the sermon back to where you was at. The top right, the messaging, you click that. This where all the messaging. So if you're a part of a True Light Christian Ministry group, then you will get your messages. That group can message each other within this messaging. Alright, and now I'm going to go back to the sermons, and then in the top left, go to menu, and go down this list. So search, so just say if you want to search for a topic, you could just put in what you want to search for, and every sermon or Bible study that has that word in it will show up. So at the same time, just say today's sermon was God has the final say. So I'm gonna click on it and say I want to download it just in case I'm about to go somewhere where I don't have Wi-Fi and my cellular data is not gonna work. So I'm just gonna click download, and what that's gonna do is gonna download it to my phone. So whenever I get to that location where I don't have internet access, then I can go here, go back, hit the menu button, and go to downloads. And now I have God has the final say saved on my phone. And after I watch it, and I can then hit the menu button and then hit delete, and it'll delete it off my phone. The next section is the inbox, and basically the inbox is whenever we send out notifications. We usually send out notifications when we're getting ready to go live on Sunday, and when we get ready to go live on Wednesday for Bible study. And then the other notifications that we send out is the weekly devotional, and that's every Wednesday, typically around 9 o'clock. The only other notifications we may send out will be like the day after a sermon, a Bible study, or a service. We'll send out a notification saying that it's available for you to watch, and just give you a link to view it whenever it's convenient for you. So all of those notifications are stored in your inbox. So just say for some reason you didn't catch the notification when it came by, you can go in your inbox and you can check it, and it should be there, and you can click on it, and then it'll give you a link to view the item right there, and then you can view it. So next will be the giving. The giving is the same as the button before, it take you to the giving. So then you can give to True Light Christian Ministry. Notes. Now notes is important if you are a note taker. So if you're a note taker, you can, what's important about the notes is you can write your notes, and then what's important about this is you have the ability, say you have a Android phone and an Android tablet, that you only want to write the notes one time. So to do that, you need to create an account, which I'll show you how to make it easier to sync it with the account. But in the notes, you can just hit add, and then you can write you can just write your notes here, and then you can it'll sync with whatever other device once you make an account. But you can keep track of your notes in the notes account, and you see how it saved it there. So now I'm gonna show you the important part about notes. You hit menu, and then in the top left corner, you see this one has my wife's name on it because she already created an account. But you can log in and create your account that's specific to you. And what that'll do is, if you on an Android, if you have a tablet or another Android phone, if you log in with that account, your notes are sync on your Android device. So then you won't have to have, if you bring your tablet one Sunday or your phone the next, you will have everything synced in. You won't have to worry about it. It'll be in both locations. All right, and the last one I want to go over is settings. In settings, it has two things that I want to point out to you. Notifications. Notifications is it's basically what I told you about earlier, the ones that go in the inbox. Whenever we send out notifications, you can opt to be in or out. You don't have to get those notifications. You can turn notifications off, and this is where you would do it at. You just turn them off, and you won't get any notifications from True Light Christian. But if you turn them on, and you only want certain ones, so my wife, she's a part of the mobile app team, so she has that turn on. But maybe that's all she want to get. She don't want to get none from the general. She don't want to get none of the all. You can just turn those off. So this is the section where you can turn notifications on or off, and that's how you would do it. The other important thing I want to share with you is the location. Now, the location is basically, this will allow us to send a notification. For example, if we having church, say it's a Sunday and we having service, say you come down the street, just say we put a notification. If you come within a half a mile of the church, and we want to send out a notification to anybody that has the app, that we want to send a notification out that we're having service and you're welcome to join us, that's where this would come in at. You would just turn the location on, and you might have to give it permission under location. She has it on all the time, or whenever she using the app. But it's just your preference, whatever you feel like, whatever you're comfortable with. Another example of what this will be used for is, say we're out in the community, we doing some outreach in the community, and we set up a perimeter, say of a mile around the area we're gonna be in, and we say, hey, we're in your neighborhood. If you would like to come fellowship with us, please come fellowship with us, and it'll have our location of where we at. So that's basically what the location is used for, and that's pretty much an overview of the app. And that's pretty much it. I'll go back to the home, make sure I haven't missed anything. Yeah, I think that's it though. So what I'm gonna do now, I got an Apple video that should be somewhere around here. I'll try to link it or put it in the comments. And now we have the Android video. So what I'll do from here, I'll probably at least post one video a week, and I'm gonna try to do them both at the same time. I'm gonna try to have Apple here and Android here, or Android here and Apple here, and just walk you through the app, being just so we can get more familiar with the app, and that we can share the app and make sure the word is going forth through this time of being innovative and just trying to keep continuing to get the word out there. If you're we appreciate all the downloads. Like and subscribe our page, our Facebook page, Instagram page, Facebook page, and I look forward to making these videos, and thank you and appreciate it. Have a great day.